Yo, what's going on guys? This Rebuilds NI come back with a new video. Today we're going to be hopefully talking through this thing. It's been sitting on my trailer for about 3 months. A lot of people probably don't know what it is or what car it is or anything. Basically it's a Mk3 1994 Cavalier Saloon 1.8. I lifted this car when I was lifting seats from another Cavalier just because it's a pretty clean shell. Like, don't get me wrong, you get wee rust bits on it and stuff, but that's just your normal Cavalier. They're all rotten. I don't know if I plan to restore this on the channel, so drop a comment down below if you want me to restore it. Now, there wouldn't be too much on it. The only problem with this car is it came as a shell, so we don't have much for it. But she's got the vinyl the vinyl K-cloth, the green sunroof for the SRI. Basically, it's a pretty clean shell, and I don't want to go to waste. A lot of people want me to sell it to them, but let's be truthful. I love Cavaliers, so I might as well make a good car of this one. Now I have another one. It's a 95 hatch 1.7 TD, but let's be honest, I put quarter panel stuff on it and it's just rusted and everything, so I lost all heart in that car. But as you can see, it's actually really good nick, this car. The pockets and all at the back, anybody that owns Cavaliers knows they're the worst places on them. And look at that there, like, you can count nearly every spot well on it. In round them arches and all, don't get me wrong, these wee bit wire brush, but in round them arches are pretty solid. The strut hangers, they're rusted, but that's just Cavalier. Front of the back panel and stuff, you can see you can count nearly every spot well in that back panel. So I'm well happy with this here one. Now, if you want me to do it, make sure you drop a comment. You know, the only problem is put a hole up through the floor if we're putting her down in this trailer. But other than that, I don't think it should be too bad. Another thing I'd like to say, guys, is thank you for 50 subscribers. You know, hasn't actually took as long as I thought getting there. You know, I'm enjoying making these videos. And only for you to keep liking the videos and leaving comments and stuff is keep me at it. I enjoy doing it, really do. But anyway guys, if you want to see this car on the channel, you know, this is only a real quick video, let me know down in comments. Maybe if you don't, I have another car that maybe you would like to see more. It's a, I don't know if it's a Mk3 or a Mk4 Escort van. It was my dad's. It lay in the garage for about 15 years. We can restore that for my dad. But either you just want this restored or the van. Now, leave a comment down below and make sure you do like the video. Anyway guys, this has been Rebuilds NI out.